Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that can occur when working with AVX512 instructions. You see, when using certain vector constants in your code, you might encounter a situation where setting different inputs can lead to unexpected issues. Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. It turns out that the SIGILL, a legal instruction, you're experiencing is likely due to the AWS instance you're using not supporting AVX512. Sometimes, you might end up with an instance like Zen 3, which doesn't fully support these instructions. To work around this, you can specify the architecture using march equals native and conditionally compile your code with hashtag ifdef_avx512f_ to exclude unsupported tests. In summary, the key to resolving the unexpected issues with AVX512 instructions lies in understanding the limitations of the AWS instance you're working on. By adjusting your compiler flags and using conditional compilation, you can ensure your code runs smoothly across different architectures. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!